And we're live. Awesome. Hey, KicknGravelers, welcome to the Bitcoin market update. Today is Saturday, December 22nd, 2018. Getting ready to close out the year. We're getting close to it, getting close to that Christmas day. Let's dive into the markets. I'm looking here at Bitcoin, BTC USD on the 1-day chart. $4,000. Yeah, baby. Looking good. Looking good. Slow, steady growth. We had this pullback for the day. It looked a little shaky. There was a lot of rumors going around that this was it. We're going back down. But actually, we did need that correction to get close to that 9-day moving average to keep that slow, steady growth going. I think we may see more continuation, but no predictions here. Just want to trade it day by day. All right, so BTC USD on Coinbase is, for the 1-day chart, is at $4,004.40. A lot of fours in there. It's looking good. Stay in it. Stay in it. We're going up higher. Pretty sure of that. LTC USD is at $32.64. Wow, looking real good right here. I like this growth. This is nice. Good to see that. Stay in it. We also have, check out Ethereum. Ethereum's at $128.48. Now we're approaching that 50-day moving average. Let's stay in this one for now. Looking good, looking good. Moving down to Tron, TRON. Well, I haven't. Let's see. Yeah, I haven't really even considered putting in a sell yet. I know it's probably a prime time to sell, but I'm not going to. I'm going to hang tight on this one. Even if I get a lower price, it doesn't matter. This is looking so good that, I don't know, as I zoom out. So you see how this guy ran up, looked pretty good. And we had a little bit of a pullback and then it ran higher. I was wondering if maybe we'd have something like that kind of come in right here. Yeah, I mean, we're up there, but it's not totally unheard of. It's kind of an odd resistance point, I guess. And if I was going to make a bet on this bad boy, I would pull from the last high. It's pretty arguable. It might be this one here. And pull down here. Let's go to the low. Okay, so we're not even at the 382 yet. I would love to see it get to the 50 line. That would be nice. 618 is pretty high up there. And of course the 786. Honestly, I'd love for it to be right up here. There you go. But yeah, we're just gonna have to wait and see. I'm not dumping this guy yet. No way. We could be just at the very beginning, and I'll wait for that sell signal to roll in. It's looking sharp, but it could be rolling over. I probably won't get a better price, but I'm gonna wait. DigiByte. Boom. Okay. So DigiByte, very interesting. Let me pull that out a little bit, get some more indicators. Full disclosure, I was gonna sell this bad boy right here at the where it was gonna break down, and I thought, nah, I'll wait. And I'm glad I did, because I'm actually a little bit higher than where I would have sold at right now. Interesting. This one was, DigiByte was looking good, but then it kind of showed up, A little late to the party. I guess other coins were already pumping, so when they were pulling back, this one pulled back hard because it didn't have any height yet. We're going to hang on to it. I'm just going to keep holding. I haven't sold yet, so why not? Here's Theta. Yeah. So looking at this for the first time, Theta's going up. It's looking nice. We need to bring in a little more volume here, but it could just be time to pull back a little bit before running higher. This was nice. Good 2 days worth of work here. Very, very cool. Okay. Let's hope it's not just a flash in the pan, but we see some more continuation, because we now have Kumo Cloud up higher. It was kind of stagnant for a little bit, so good to see that rolling through. How about Proppy? Proppy is still trying to get off the ground. This is real. This coin's been having a hard time. I mean, back here the whole market was pumping and this one was dumping. So moving on to Populous PPT. Here we go. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, it's not pumping hard or anything, but it's there. It's just showed up. So Populous is just keep it as a buy. Hopefully we get a little bit of lift out of this. OMG is coming into the party here, looking a little better than Populous, but not by much. It's still a buy and a hold. Here is Pay 10x Pay token. I've been battling with this thing for a while, trying to decide when I should dump it. The funny thing is I haven't dumped it yet. I've had like almost a week of total sideways, and I'm just not letting it go. Hanging on to the dream. Yeah, it might be time though. It might be time. Honestly, it might be time. This might be it. So that's Pay. I'm going to hold it for one more day. We'll see what happens. Maybe we can pull out a Hail Mary. You know, last few seconds left in the game. How about Human IQ? Humanique. Nothing. XLM? No. Not a buy yet. A lot of good things on this indicator though, so I'm thinking tomorrow it will be, just because this run up has been it's pretty consistent, and we've had some flirtations over the 9-day moving average. I just need to open and close above it. That's all I need, and I think this thing will start moving. Of course, now that we're at the 1 day with this entire pullback here and all this indecision has made the RSI run up, and it's basically pretty tired. So I would expect for that thing to pull back down and then try to make another go of it later. But that's just my thoughts on that. It could very well start taking off, so we'll have to watch this and see what happens. XRP. Ripple is doing pretty good. Even though we've been having a pullback with the RSI, it's been real shallow on this pullback. Not bad. And money's still there. You know, man, it's all here. It's all here. So volume is still here, looking good. So I'm gonna hang with this one. I would say keep it as a buy. Watch it. Here's ADA. Cardano. Cardano looking good. Yep. Hang on to that one. XTZ. Tezos is looking good. So keep this one as a buy. Now, when I use the words looking good, it's a loose term. It really is a loose term. This is, I mean, it's okay. We'll just say that. It's okay. How about NPX? Pundi. No, nothing. I'm worried about this one. for a long time, we haven't seen much out of it. This was like getting close, and then it died. Um, yeah, this thing has not been performing. I mean, all the way back here, it's just not performing at all. If anyone's got some more data on this before the 21st of June, I'd love to see it, because that is crazy. I mean, it is just not moving. So, yeah. Yeah, no thanks on the Pundy X. QLC, I'm going to go back to this. I really thought, because this pump was happening for everyone else, that this one was going to help Pundy get off the ground. I was pretty hopeful with this, but this is like damn near a free coin, right? I don't know what the price is, but it is cheap. I don't know, guys. It's just not looking very good here. Not looking good at all. Let's move on to QLC. QLC. Looking all right. I like it. Let's hang on to this one. Absolutely. For now. Definitely looking good. Aeon. Oh, guys. Aeon is looking good too. Hang on to that one. I mean, if we can get this pullback and a turnaround, it's going to be wonderful. BCHSV. Wow. We're getting a little bit of sell-off. And I'm loving this part right here, where it's, got some nice volume pulling in. Still looking good. Still looking good on money flow. RSI's up there. Yeah, this is okay. Bitcoin Cash SV, hang on to that. I know we're doing a pullback, but just hold your horses. Simmer down now. Doge. Now, Doge is having a pullback, to be expected. Look for tomorrow to possibly be a buy again. And if not, it's probably just going to trade sideways a little more. Not a big deal. Doge gave us one heck of a run up, and this wicked little pullback here is just kind of created more downtrend. So, we're still above the 50-day moving average and the 200-day. We just kind of came back into the Kumo cloud. I would expect it to consolidate in the Kumo cloud and then pop up and go higher. So let's look for that. If you're below the 9-day moving average, it's probably ideal to be out. So Doge, we had already turned it as something to not hold. So already called that. So that stays in effect until we see it prove itself. I'm hoping, I don't know when you guys got out, but I'm just hoping that somehow you got out around here. That would be ideal. If you got out up here, then golly, you're looking real good. But we're just gonna have to wait and see. Watch this one close and see what happens. But I would look for a little sideways action for some of these indicators to cool off down here in the Kumo cloud and then pop up. All right, EOS. We don't usually look at this one very often, but it might be fun to visit it. EOS is looking good. Hold on to that thing. Look for this thing to turn around and we get a little boost and run higher. That's kind of the same exact thing I'm looking for on Bitcoin here. A little boost and then run this thing higher. Okay, guys, that should just about wrap it up for the regular Bitcoin market. I'm going to move into the more traditional market, so if you're totally bored with that, I get it. Adios. I'll see you later. But let's check out gold. Gold is at $1,255. Yes. I'm thinking it could continue running higher. I'm going to switch. Actually, I'll stay on silver. Silver's at $1,460. Tomorrow should be interesting to see what happens here. I'm looking forward to perhaps next week of breaking above these two highs here at $1,491. Let's look at Brent crude is at 53. Cannot wait to see what happens tomorrow. This has been selling off hard. The Dow Jones Industrial Average. Ooh, brutal. Where's the bottom? Anybody see the bottom down there? Bad. S&P 500 futures, same thing. Oh boy, look how many days in a row just getting hammered. No turnaround yet. Hopefully tomorrow's will be looking a little better. Japan Nikkei 225, not looking good. Lawson was up. It still is. Facebook down. Yes, I'd love to see that. I'd love to see them go way down into the dirt. Apple still selling off. No bottom yet. Amazon, no bottom in sight. Actually, Amazon's running into a little bit of support back here. From back here, that's interesting. Netflix, we're getting into those FANG stocks. Netflix is getting some support here. I think, not I hope, I think it could get a bounce here. Google also could get a bounce, but it's way down, way down. This is the Euro SD, $1.13. US Aussie dollar is $1.42, so looking real strong right over here. Let's move into, oh yeah, Overstock down. Tesla way down. What? I did not see that. So I think last time I checked in on Tesla, was it up here? Boy, I thought it was going okay, or at least got a little slippage, but I didn't know it was down here in the Kumo cloud. We're at the 200-day moving average, so yeah, that's interesting. We might get a little bit of support, but it could fall through. Here's Ford at $8.05, dumping. And GM 32, more downslide. Man, Starbucks. Ooh, even Starbucks is coming down. Wait a minute. It's right here. I hope it gets a little support here in the Kumo cloud and a bounce. Maybe come down a little bit lower. But boy, hate to see that. Last time we were here was about a month ago, or back in January. So wow, we came from January, packed all the way back up here, and then down. Terrible. And then yeah, Dick's Sporting Goods, keep selling off. You're overvalued. Pretty sure of that. Okay, thanks guys, that's it for tonight. I am tired. I'm gonna go hit the hay. It was good to see some friends this evening and hang out with them. Wonderful dinners. I love the holidays for that. We kind of make time to see one another. That is wonderful. I will talk to you guys soon. Have a blessed evening. See ya. I'm out.